Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to prioritize notifications on this device. Okay, so first of all, we need to enable one option. For this, go to settings, tap on the option notification, tap on advanced settings. So here you can see the option manage notification categories for each applications. First of all, we need to turn on this option. Then after this one, go to the notification settings, tap on app notifications. Then select any one application from here. Simply here I am going to select Netflix. If you scroll down here, you can see one more option, notification categorize. Okay, tap on this one. Here you can see the categories. Priority notifications appear more prominently. This ensure critical alerts are not missed. So simply in this way we can prioritize the notifications on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.